and Zoe packed their bag, ready for school with a little swag. But Grandma smiled and said, "My dears, let's learn skills you'll use for many years." Just then their friend Trisha came along, humming a happy morning song. "What are you learning today?" she asked. "Something important, a big life task." Noah shrugged, "Survival stuff." "What's that mean?" Grandma said, "It means staying safe, calm, and keen." Be prepared, be prepared. Little habits show you care. Stay safe, strong, and always aware. Survival hacks are everywhere. Think ahead, don't be afraid. Smart choices are the best upgrade. Every day and everywhere. Be prepared. Be prepared. At home one morning, click, lights went out. Zoe jumped, "What's this about?" Trisha said, "Don't worry, wait. No panic helps us make things great." Noah grabbed a flashlight fast. Prepared kids always think ahead last. I mean first. He laughed out loud, feeling calm and feeling proud. Grandma nodded, "That's the way. Stay calm when things don't go your way." Emergency kit, small and neat. Water, snacks, and something to eat. Flashlight, batteries, first aid too. These simple things will help you through. Know your address, know your name. If you're lost, do just the same. Find a helper, safe and kind. Calm your heart and use your mind. Outside came rain, the sky turned gray. Puddles splashed in every way. Trisha said, "Let's walk with care. Slow steps help us everywhere." Zoe slipped but caught a rail. Noah laughed, "Nice steady trail." Grandma said, "You're learning well. Safe habits always help to tell." At the park they heard a shout. A little kid looked lost and out. Trisha said, "Let's go and see. We can help responsibly." They stayed together, calm and kind, looking for a grown-up sign. Soon a helper came along, and everything was safe and strong. Be prepared, be prepared. Little habits show you care. Stay safe, strong, and always aware. Survival hacks are everywhere. Think ahead, don't be afraid. Smart choices are the best upgrade. Every day and everywhere. Be prepared. Be prepared. Grandma smiled, "You all did great. Safety skills are first rate." Trisha clapped, "I learned today. Being ready helps in every way."